What's up, y'all? Today we're going to put a miter saw station on this wall, and the wall's about 22 foot and the miter saw is going to be about 12 foot, so there should be plenty of room for it. And what I hope to do is free up some of the space and maybe organize it a little bit so there's a lot more room to work with. We're going to wind up putting a miter saw on it, a 12-inch drill press, an isolating spindle sander, and also a 13-inch planer. And we're going to try to fix the planer where it's up under the workbench, and we can pull it out when we need to. When we don't need it, we can put it back up under. So if y'all want to see how we do it, y'all stay tuned. So the first thing we got to do, we got to clean this mess up. Let's get to it. Okay, so we've got the area cleaned out, and now we're going to start on the base of it. We're going to use two 12-foot 2x4s and a few scrap 2x4s for the bracing across the middle, and then we're going to lay some scrap plywood that we have on top of it. So before we can get started with the cabinets, let's get the base taken care of. So we've got the base put together and the plywood on top, and now we're going to start building the cabinets, and we're going to kind of build these as we go since we're using a lot of scrap wood from the shop. We're not going to build them as individual cabinets like you normally would. So anyhow, let's get started on that part of it. Now that we have all our pieces for our cabinets, we can get started and cut all the pocket holes. So I think the way we're going to fasten these to the base is just a couple of pocket screws at the bottom. I think that'll keep it in place like it needs to be until we get the back on it and the face frame attached to it. So we got the 7 panels in that's going to create the frame of the miter saw station. And I think the next thing we're going to do is put the back on it. That'll help square it up and get everything plumb. So the rest of it hopefully will go pretty easy. So I think that's all we're going to get done today. We got the miter saw installed. That was my main goal. And on the next video, we're going to try to install the planer, the sander, and the drill press. Y'all have a good day.